I am Manoj Sonar, CMD and founder of MESmeRise Soft Tech. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Advantage is our product portfolio, where we start with a basic connectivity of all the machines from a shop floor, creating a real-time insights, which will help the companies to improve their performance. With the traceage, we help them to build a end-to-end genealogy, which help them for meeting the compliance requirement at the same time making a quality product. Once we do that, the important part of making any product is the machines and robots. With an asset edge, we help them to do end-to-end digitalization, enabling de-skilling on an operator and doing the maintenance when it is really required. So it is not only a time-based, it is a real-time maintenance, which help them to actually do a maintenance only when it is required. MESmeRise is founded in 2022 in Pune, which is an industrial town. We help the customer for end-to-end digital transformation. We start with an consulting, followed by fit gap analysis, then with an actual development, delivery, sustenance, support, and upgrade.